It's Ways, and I'm a Brazilian freelance artist who likes fun and pretty things. This course/workshop will be about getting better at art by knowing yourself and making conscious decisions in your work. There will also be tips on how to view the drawing process in a more effective and easy way, and expanding your visual library in order to be able to create from imagination. So it won't really be a how to draw class, but more of a teach yourself to create kind of class. I don't believe in most how to draw videos because in order to truly learn something, you have to understand it first. So my goal is to help you understand how my drawing process itself works and how that can help you in your creative process instead of copying something without knowing why you're doing it. By the end of this course, I hope that you can view the process of creating something in a way that is easier and makes more sense to you with a new perspective on learning art. I'm Ways, and this is Creative Process 101.